Now that we've mastered our basic division, we're going to do a long division problem. And this is the same thing, it just adds more steps. So it's a little bit easier to get lost in what we're doing. So our problem here is going to be 364 divided by 5. But remember, when we're doing these long division problems, it's much easier to write them a different way so that we have a place to put our numbers as we divide and we can keep track of what we're doing. So the first step always is to write your factors of your divisor out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now 50 is the biggest that we'll have to go when we're doing these. Okay, now in class, we've met our little division friend, and he looks like this. He's got division eyes, a multiplication nose, a subtraction face, and then he's got the little bring down to remind us to bring down. Okay, so this is what our little friend looks like. And we're going to go through each of these steps more than once in order to finish this long division problem. Okay, now we've got 3 numbers on the top, so we're going to go through and do 3 dashes so we keep track of where our numbers go. The first problem we have is 5 goes into 3. Well, we know that 5 doesn't go into 3 because 5 is bigger than 3. So we're just going to put a 0 right there. Now we're going to go 5 into 36. And we're going to look and we're going to say, okay, well, we know that it doesn't go into 36 equally, but we're going to get as close as we can. And if we go down, we see that 36 is between 35 and 40. So we're going to go count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we divide 5 into 36, we know it goes in 7 times. That's the divide step. Now we're going to multiply. 7 times 5 is 35. And then our next step is the subtraction. So 36 minus 35 is 1. Then comes our bring down step. The bring down step means you're going to take this number right here and you're going to bring it down like that. So now we have 14. And what we're doing is we're dividing all the way back to the beginning, 5 into 14. 5 goes into 14. 1, 2, 3 is too big. So we know it goes in there 2 times because 3 would be 15 and this can only be 14. So we've divided it. Now we've got to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. Then we subtract it. 14 minus 10 is 4. Then we look at bring down. Well, there's nothing left to bring down, so we know that this 4 is our remainder. So remainder 4. So the answer to our problem is 72, remainder 4.